Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change language in ChatGPT. So this way you can generate content from ChatGPT in any language as per your needs. So let's get started. Well, ChatGPT can support multiple languages, but you need to indicate which language you want to use by setting the appropriate language code. First, determine the language code for the language you want to use. You can easily find the list of language codes on the internet. For example, the language code for Spanish is ES, while for Hindi language it's Hindi. So let's try one prompt on ChatGPT. First open ChatGPT and let's give a prompt for the example. As you can see, the ChatGPT is writing the content in English language as default language in ChatGPT is English. Now when interacting with ChatGPT, include the language code in your input. For example, if you want ChatGPT to write the content in Spanish, you can start your input with ES colon followed by your prompt. So your input might look like ES colon write essay on my school. Hit enter. And as you can see, the ChatGPT is writing the content in Spanish language. Similarly, you can try with other languages. For Hindi, we can get output written in Hindi language, something like this. So we are now going to generate the content in Hindi language. Hit enter. So now as you can see, ChatGPT is writing content in Hindi language. So like that way, you can generate the content from ChatGPT in any language with the help of language code. ChatGPT will recognize the language code and respond in the specified language. If you want to switch to the different language, simply include the appropriate language code in your next input. So let's stop generating the content now. So that was all about how to change language in ChatGPT. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.